Well, May is Skin Cancer Awareness Month, and early detection starts with you. Sponsoring our Fresh Look segment today from Vital Skin Dermatology is board-certified physician assistant Will Miller, as well as Allison Dupre, executive director of Feeding Our Kids. Glad to have you both here with us. May is Skin Cancer Awareness Month. Vital Skin Dermatology can play a huge role in people's kind of learning a little bit about what to look out for. Tell us what you guys are doing this month.
Sure. So with Skin Cancer Awareness Month, we just try to do that, raise awareness. I think a lot of people don't know quite what to look for or when to look for it, and actually what part we play in all of it. So just trying to increase people's ideas and awareness of those things.
Absolutely. Today we're doing something kind of unique too, that people can do right at home for themselves, where it's learning what to look for. Sure. And this is something that happens way past just May. This should be happening all year long.
Yes.
Let's talk about what you're going to be doing with the help of Allison here.
Yes.
And what to look out for.
Sure. So, you know, when we have patients come in for what we call skin checks or sometimes full body exams, we're really just trying to look over their whole body. You know, they get down to their underwear or less, and we take a peek at everything. I think it's important to realize that what some people are worried about, we aren't worried about at all, and vice versa, and that's kind of where we come in. You know, when they come in, we use our fancy, expensive flashlights and give them a really good look. These are magnifying glasses, so they significantly increase the detection of skin cancers. And we just look at all of that skin, and we're looking for skin cancers, and even, you know, reassuring you about benign things, and just raising awareness about being, you know, prudent with skin exams.
Yes, absolutely. There is kind of a unique way to think of it, the ABCDE of skin checks. Let's talk through what that is and what that looks like.
Yep. So when we talk about the ABCDEs, we're mostly talking about what we would consider a mole, which, to super simplify, is a flat spot, a flat dark spot. And that is an acronym, meaning A for asymmetry. We don't like that. B is borders. It should have a nice, clear, defined border. C is color or coloration. We like it to be uniform throughout. D is diameter, about 0.6 centimeters, or the size of a pencil eraser or less makes us feel better. And E for evolution. Is it changing? Is it changing in how it looks, or is it changing in how it feels? Anything there might, you know, prompt you to talk to one of us about getting a better look.
Yeah. So if Allison were literally to stick out her arm, you would be able to say yes or no to do we have any concerns?
Sure. Yes. You make it sound like a superpower, but you know,
make it sound pretty easy.
You know, again, it really, you know, some people have lots of more spots and some people don't. There's certainly some exams that are much easier, and skin tone comes into it and things like that. And you know, just from the naked eye, we can determine some things, but when we're looking at more of these spots, you know, these really do a great deal. And you know, there's a lot that goes into what we see under the scope, but for the most part, we like to think we're very good at detecting those things.
And who should be doing this?
Great question. I get that a lot. And there's not a perfect answer for that. There's no recommendation or study that says this is when. We usually say if you're 40 or 50 and you haven't had a good look over, it's probably a good time. But if you have a strong family history or fair skin tone, light blue eyes, it's probably best to get it even sooner than that.
Absolutely. Okay, Allison, I know you've been our model, but you also are here to tell us a little bit about Feeding Our Kids. We're almost out of time, but just fill us in about what you guys are doing.
So Feeding Our Kids is doing a promotion in May with Vital Skin Dermatology, where if you bring in a food donation item or a monetary donation, you'll get a free spot check. And we also are excited to announce that Vital Skin Dermatology is going to be our newest Adopt-a-School sponsor for the 23-24 school year. And for those of you who might not know, Feeding Our Kids provides weekend food to 1,050 children each week in Champaign County.
Wow, incredible. Well, we appreciate you both for being here with us today, giving us a little bit of a breakdown of what people can look forward to throughout the month of May. Make it a habit from now on. And Allison, we thank you for being a good sport model.